Hi everyone, welcome to VLSI Explore with Raman. Today, let's discuss one interesting question in SystemVerilog. Generate an array of 10 numbers which is only divisible by 3 times through SystemVerilog randomization. What they given in an array of 10 numbers, all the numbers which is only divisible by 3 times only. For example, 9. 9 only divisible by 1, 3, 9. It is divisible by 3 times only. Similar to how to generate an array of 10 numbers, it's only divisible by 3 times. Let's declare one class test. I am declaring one dynamic variable. Here I have declared one dynamic array constant x. What is the size of the dynamic array? 10. A dot size equal to 10. What is the values are inside the array? Let's make it from 1 to 200. For each of I inside 1 to 200. Now you have to be write one logic for checking that how many times that number is divisible. Let's declare one function int div b. Now here you can see you have to be track the how many times that number is divisible. How you can do? Declare one counter here. I am declaring one counter in count. I am using for loop here for checking the all the numbers from 1 to n. Int I equal to 1 to n. What is the n value? B here. Then are equal to b. I plus plus. If b modulo equal to modulo I equal to 0, then you have to increment the counter. Increment the count plus plus n. If the count which has count equal to 3, then you have to return this value. Return count n function. This is the logic for checking the how many times that number is divisible. Now here you can see this is random variable. Okay, how it will generate random values. How you can restrict the random values to it's only divisible by 3 times? When declare one post randomization method, inside the post randomization method you have to be check whether that is getting the value only 3 times divisible. Then you can make a one logic here to get all the values inside the dynamic array divisible by 3 times. Function void post randomize. I am taking one variable in temp. Now check the values here. For each a5 begin what is the value here? Div. If div of pass this value fi, which is not equal to 3. Only it's need to do 3 na? Yeah, if not equal to 3, then you have to be to randomize this value again, because this is already randomized values. Okay, then the values which are not be met with respect to the divisible by 3 times. That's why you are doing again randomization here. Do begin. Now by using the scope randomization, I am randomizing these values. Mice randomized temp with how many times it is from here. You can see I have declared inside 1 to 200. Yeah, here also you have to declare 1 to 200 temp inside 200. Yeah. Now use while loop here. While this value div temp, which is not equal to 3, then it will again do the randomization. See here what happened. I am declaring one class. It contains one random variable. It will generate the random values, but the random values need to be met with respect to 3 times. It need to divisible. How we can, let's consider it is not occurred. Then you have to be do again randomization here. That's why first it will checking whether that number is not divisible by 3. Then I am doing the again randomization. Now pass this value. If a of I equal to temp, end function, begin and begin and begin and. Yeah, now completed the task. Now in class create object for the class db. What is the class name here? Test. Initial begin test. I'm creating the object for it. T dot randomize. Now display the array. So T dot a n model. Yeah, code is completed. Here you can see I have declared one function. Okay, it will check how many times that number is divisible. Here see here I am using the for loop here. It will reiterate from 1 to n. Whenever this number which is divisible by that number means at the time I am incrementing the counter. If the counter equal to 3, see the counter equal to 3, then I am returning the value. In the post randomization, what I am doing, this is the class. You have declared one random variable. The random will generate a random values. You have to be restrict the values with respect to 3 times it need to divisible. That's why inside the post randomization I am checking it need to be divisible by 3 times only. Yeah, because this is random values. It will generate random. Let's run this code. See, 169, 9, 4. 4 can be divisible by 3 times here. 1, 2, 4. Yeah. 169 also divisible by 3 times. 121 also divisible by 3 times. Yeah. This is the logic for checking the how many times that number will divisible. That's why I have declared the two functions here. It will first it will check, it will track the how many times it will that number will divisible. After that, this is random values. This class will generate the random values. You have to be restrict the values to achieve it need to divisible by 3 times only. That's why I have insert the post random as I have declared the do while here. It will randomize the values which are see here whenever our values which is div not equal to 3 it not met which is if that number is not divisible by 3, then I am doing the randomization. I am declaring one where temp variable. I am randomizing again passing to this while loop here. While not equal to 3, then it will again it will do randomization. After that it will pass which is div temp equal to 3. Then I am assigning the temp value to this AFI. Yeah, this is the logic for that array of 10 numbers which is divisible by only 3 times. If you like the content, please share and subscribe.